Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we are going to work with the More tab in Canva. Now we have seen some elements, text customizations and all, but the More tab has many other features to offer, so let's explore that. Now let's wrap up things with one more feature of Canva, and that is the More tab. If we go on a design, and let's say if I click on anything like YouTube thumbnail. So when I am in this blank sheet, on the left hand side, I have all the options like templates, elements, all the other features. And on the last, we have more. So what you can do is you can connect your YouTube account, you can connect Google Maps with it. And if we scroll down, you can connect with Instagram account and bring all your photos from Instagram, from Google Photos, from Facebook directly here. So for YouTube case, it might import the images and it might play as well. But when you download, it might not work with the same features as in the YouTube video. For example, if I clicked on it, it says add YouTube videos to your designs, make videos a seamless part of your next presentation. So it might work in the live presentation, but you won't be able to download it. If we click on use, and for example, we use this one. So double click to interact, we can play it here directly from the presentation. But when we download this, even in the MP4 format, it will be downloaded like this, like a static image. So particularly for YouTube videos, it might be useful when you are creating a presentation template that you can find here, like presentations. As you already know that presentations consist of a lot of pages. You can see here as well, 1 out of 15. So there are many pages like this. So that's essential if you want to show some YouTube video within your presentation. You can directly link it from the More tab and you have all the options. So for some more features, you have all the Pixabay, Flickr, Pixels option from where you can directly get the images. You can also use emojis if you want to. You can click here and you will find lots of emojis here. You can use any of them like this. Just click on it and it will be on your design. Now, some of the features I'm telling you, you might not use that, but obviously it's giving you more and more insights of what assets that you can use in Canva. So the designing sense totally depends on the collection of assets that you can use in your design. And then obviously you will need your personal designing skills in order to use that tools. But for that, we need to get through all of the features that Canva offers. Now let's see what other features do we have is you can use videos, charts, you can access to folders, you can add QR codes. You can create your own QR code that is scannable. Then you have all the images to choose from pixels. You can write any particular one, like let's say sports. So this is all related to sports. So they might be of great use when you're creating your design. And most particularly, if you have all the collection of your images, your themes saved in your Google Drive or Google Photos, it will be very smart to connect your Canva account with Dropbox, with Google Photos or Google Drive. That way you can have access to thousands of templates and images that you have saved already on your Drive accounts. So in that way, let's say if you have a friend who is a designer and he has a lot of designs and assets already, collection of assets created. So you can take that all from him and upload it in your collection and then simply connect Canva with it. This will help you a lot in creating the designs instantly. So as we have seen some more features of it, and we have already seen some projects as well, like creating a Facebook post and something like that. But now that we have completed almost all of our general assets that Canva offers, now we will create some more practical projects in our future videos. And from this project, what we are actually gonna learn is how to make yourself more efficient when creating a design. So I'll see you in the next video. So that's it. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified of all the future videos. This is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.